Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix EAC3 audio format not supported in MX Player. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check the codec version. So for that you need to enter into your MX Player. In the MX Player you need to enter into your account at the top right, and then you need to enter into your settings following decoder. Over the decoder, please scroll down. You may see the custom codec and it states your version, so please download the version states over here. So for that our second step is to download the codec version in using your browser. So enter into your browser and then type your codec version and download, or else you can copy the link in the description, paste it over your browser and download using the link. I had given two links. You can use any one of the link to download your codec version. Once done, please click a custom codec and then choose your downloaded file to install on MX Player to solve the issue. If the issue is not solved, please follow the third step to enable MX settings. Over here you need to disable and then enable the HW decoder. So our fourth step is to clear cache data. So for that you need to enter into your app info. Over there at the bottom right corner you may see clear data. Please click and clear the cache data of MX Player. Once it's done, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, you need to follow the fifth step. Our fifth step is to free up internal storage. In this step you need to free up both cache and temp as well as your internal storage. So to free up the cache and temp you need to enter into your cleaner and clean it. To free up your internal storage you need to enter into your file manager and please clean up your internal storage. After that, the sixth step is to update MX Player. If you are already updated, please skip this step, and once it's done, please restart your system, and I hope the error will be solved. And thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.